Have you ever come across a construction machine without knowing its name? Join us at MechMinshub in exploring innovative construction equipment that are used in earth-moving projects. This construction equipment is also known as tracked excavators or compact excavators. They run on two large endless tracks that provide superior traction and stability on uneven terrain. They are ideal for mining, landscape grading, and trench digging. Crawler excavators use hydraulic power to operate the boom, arm, and bucket, which can be fitted with various attachments such as breakers, cutters, shears, and grapples. Crawler excavators are slower than wheeled excavators, but they offer greater flexibility and maneuverability. While crawler excavators rule the rough terrain, there is another type of excavator that prefers smooth and flat surfaces. Let's meet the wheeled excavators, the speedy cousins of the crawler excavators. These excavators are similar to crawler excavators, except that they run on wheels instead of tracks. They are faster and easier to move on flat and hard surfaces, such as concrete, asphalt, and roads. They are commonly used for urban and roadwork projects, where they can perform tasks such as digging, lifting, loading, and clearing. Wheeled excavators can also be equipped without triggers to increase stability when working on uneven ground. However, they are less suitable for soft and muddy terrain, where they may sink or slip. If you think wheeled excavators are impressive, wait until you see the dragline excavators. These are the giants of the excavator world, capable of reaching long distances and depths that other excavators cannot. Dragline excavators are large and heavy machines that use a hoist rope system to operate a bucket. The bucket is attached to a hoist coupler on one end and a dragline on the other end, which runs from the bucket to the cab. The operator can control the movement and angle of the bucket by adjusting the length and tension of the ropes. These excavators are mainly used for surface mining, deep excavation, and underwater digging. They can reach long distances and depths that other excavators cannot. Dragline excavators are powerful and impressive, but they are not very precise or gentle. If you're looking for tasks that require more accuracy and care, such as cleaning and clearing, suction excavators are a better choice. These excavators are also known as vacuum excavators. They use a powerful suction pipe to suck up loose soil, sand, gravel, and other materials from the ground. The suction pipe has a nozzle that can be moved and directed by the operator. The sucked-up material is then stored in a tank or a container on the machine. Suction excavators are useful for cleaning and clearing tasks, such as removing debris, waste, and spills. They are also safer and more precise than conventional digging methods, as they reduce the risk of damaging underground pipes, cables, and utilities. Suction excavators are efficient and precise, but they are not very versatile or agile. For tasks that require more flexibility and mobility, such as landscaping, gardening, and farming, skid steer excavators are a great option. Skid steer excavators are small and compact machines that can perform a range of functions. They have a bucket at the front and a skid steer mechanism at the back, which allows them to turn and pivot on their own axis. They are very agile and versatile, as they can access narrow and tight spaces that other excavators cannot. They are also easy to operate and maintain, as they have simple controls and components. Skid steer excavators are ideal for landscaping, gardening, and farming tasks such as digging, grading, leveling, and mulching. Skid steer excavators are small and mighty machines that can handle a variety of tasks. But what if you need to reach farther and deeper than they can't? That's when you need the long-reach excavators, the stretchy arms of the excavator family. These excavators are a variation of crawler excavators, with an extended boom and arm that give them a longer working range. They can reach up to 100 feet or more depending on the model. They are designed for tasks that are far away from the machine, such as underwater digging, deep trenching, and demolition. They can also be fitted with different attachments such as buckets, claws, hammers, and reapers. Long-reach excavators are efficient and productive as they can complete more work in less time and with less movement. Long-reach excavators are perfect for digging and demolishing things that are far away from the machine. But sometimes, you need to work on things that are closer and smaller. That's where the mini excavators come in handy. They are cute and compact excavators that can fit in tight spaces and do light work. These excavators are also known as micro excavators or compact excavators. They are the smallest type of excavators, weighing between 0.7 and 8.5 tons. They have a small cab, a short boom, and a small bucket, which make them suitable for light and medium-duty tasks such as digging, drilling, and loading. They are also easy to transport and store, as they can fit on a trailer or a truck. Mini excavators are popular for residential and commercial projects such as plumbing, landscaping, and construction. Mini excavators are great for residential and commercial projects that don't require too much power or size. But sometimes, you need to do more than just digging and loading. You need to do both at the same time. That's when you need the backhoe loaders, the two-in-one machines that combine the features of an excavator and a loader. Backhoe loaders are hybrid machines that combine the features of an excavator and a loader. They have a bucket or a blade at the front and a boom, arm, and bucket at the back. They can perform both digging and loading functions, as well as other tasks such as grading, leveling, and clearing. They run on wheels, which makes them fast and mobile on roads and flat surfaces. They are also versatile and adaptable, as they can be fitted with various attachments and tools. Backhoe loaders are commonly used for landscaping, mining, and construction. Backhoe loaders are versatile and mobile machines that can run on roads and flat surfaces. But sometimes, you need to work on wet and swampy areas that are not suitable for wheels. You need to float on water and move on mud. That's when you need the amphibious excavators, the water-loving machines that can operate in marshes, lakes, and rivers. These excavators are also known as swamp excavators or marsh buggies. They have a pontoon-like undercarriage that floats on water and allows them to move and work on soft and muddy terrain. They have a standard cab, boom, arm, and bucket, which can be used for digging, dredging, and clearing. Amphibious excavators are useful for environmental and marine projects such as wetland restoration, flood control, and waterway maintenance. Railroad excavators are also known as rail excavators or railroad excavators. They are modified excavators that can run on both tracks and rails. They have a rail wheel system that allows them to switch between the two modes of transportation. They are mainly used for railway construction and maintenance, such as laying, repairing, and replacing rails, ties, and ballasts. They can also perform other tasks such as digging, lifting, and loading. Railroad excavators are efficient and convenient, as they can travel and work along the railway lines without disrupting the traffic. Can you now identify the specific construction equipment utilized in earth-moving projects? If so, share your insights in the comments below. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes by subscribing to the MechMinds Hub channel. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.